Oh, can I punch it? Punk ass fucking. I punch babies! Come here! The hell you at? Fucking punk. Get boxed up! You, now that's called an ass whooping. Your mom need to give you more of these, you annoying ass. Gave me nightmares when I was a child. Especially you. Because then your fucking punk ass mama and daddy would bring their ass and bite the shit out of me. You're the reason why I don't like dogs. Bitch. Oh man, I'm gonna get a lot of shit for that. Because I remember when I shot the dogs in friggin' Metal Gear Solid 4, people threw a fucking fit. How could you? Oh my god, I'm shooting virtual animals. Holy shit. Just imagine if I played like one of those fucking hunting games like Cabela or something like that. People would just fucking go ham on me. There we go, let me lay down. Let's see. Let's taste some of that penicillin in a minute. How you zoom in? Oh, the controls are ass backwards. I don't like this. A zoom would be a zoom with X. Okay. Oh. I see you! Damn, you run slow. Is he just like... No. Ah, she clipped me! Got you in your leg. Which side? What side? Call it. Left or right? Oh, really? That shit lasts that long? This song's kind of cool. It's not as good as the original, but it'll do. Oh, she went out her left. Oh, fuck! Where's this bitch go? Oh, I see her foot. You think you're some sort of magician? Damn, these controls are squirrely as shit. Right in the dash! Wait, where'd she go? Oh, fuck! Yeah. Oh, fuck! Oh, lordy, lordy, lord. Okay. Here we go. Good night.
Got her.
Oh, that was cool. Got her. Alright, let's go and, the hell did they take Meryl? Dragged her country ass somewhere. Let's, it's funny how they give you, like, sniper ammo for, like, way up here, like, as if you're gonna need it. Because you don't. Because at first, when I played this game, I thought that, like, as you fight her, she would get weaker and you could move closer. So you'd be like, like, you know, fire, like, going over here, like, tearing up, getting torn up on, like, no, except for that part wouldn't happen, but this would happen, flip, and then hit the wall, and then be like, oh, spit, and then squeezing at her, like, that's what I thought this fight was going to be. Instead, you just kind of, ow, where the fuck you come from? The hell? Must be out your goddamn mind. Oh, they put that there! Put that shit there on purpose, so they're like, hey, you may have think you won, but go ahead and run out there. Just imagine if you, like, had a hard time with this fight, and then you run out here, and then that thing kills you. What a buzzkill. But yeah, like I was saying, when I was younger, I totally expected to be like one epic-ass fight as you slowly push closer and closer to her, and then finish her. But, that's not what happened. You know what? I think I'm gonna change the channel on the controller real quick, because as you can see, I'm like running and it's fucking skipping all over the place. Let's put it on 15. Let's see how 15 goes. Come here, stupid ass thing. The main reason why I'm using the Wavebird is because my computer gets pretty loud when I record. The fan just goes buck ass fucking wild. And my couch is also very uncomfortable, and my recliner is not not very close to the television, so I doubt that the cord would even reach. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Maybe if I had like a, what the fuck? Oh, okay. I didn't press that button. Let's see. That seems to be working a little bit better. But you saw before, like, I'd be walking, all of a sudden the snake would just go, like, just stop running all of a sudden. But maybe that channel was just acting up. It'd crack me up, like, every time I got, like, a phone call, the freaking wireless would go out. Weren't you up here sleeping? I tranked her. Yeah, that's what I totally expected from the fight, like a epic ass push, push, you know.
Don't move.
Just commando.
It's hard to miss when you're this close. Toss your weapon over here. Slowly. You're a fool to come back here. Stupid man.
Holy.
A lady sniper, huh?
Don't you know that the majority of the world's great assassins are women? Do you want to die now? Or after your female friend? Which will it be?
I'll die after I kill you.
Ooh.
Is that
You're
right?
not wearing a bra.
Well, at least you've got spirit. I am Sniper Wolf, and I always kill what I aim at. You are my special prey. Got it?
Damn, that's so far.
I've left my mark on you. I won't forget it. Until I kill you, you're all I'll think about.
He's all like, man, the fuck did you just do to me?
Take him away.
I love this game. Oh my god. I swear I thought he was gonna turn around and they were just gonna start wailing on him or something until he passed out.
Yes, he's my target. Mine alone.
Can you hear me, Solid Snake?
He's tougher than I thought.
Do you know who I am? I always knew that one day I would meet
My ear is
you.
itching.
The man who stole the light from my life. Because of you! Me? Why, I'm the man from whom you stole everything good. And now, after the sacrifice of our brothers, after 30 long years, finally, the two of us meet. The brother of light and the brother of dark.
Do you need his genetic information too?
Yes. I want a sample while he's still alive. We need it to correct the Genome Soldier's mutations.
Then we'll be able to cure them?
No. We still have to get our hands on Big Boss's DNA.
Have they given in to our demands yet?
Not yet.
They won't give in. They're all hypocrites. Every one of them.
Is that your opinion as a Kurd?
They always put politics first.
That's right. That's why they want to avoid any leak about their precious new nuclear weapon.
Boss, it looks like our friend is awake.
There definitely is a resemblance, don't you think, little brother? Or should I say, big brother? I'm not sure.
No.
Anyway, it doesn't matter.
Freaky shit going on up in
You
here.
and I are both the last surviving sons of Big Boss. It's me. Really? Then what? Those idiots. All right, Raven. I'll be right there. They're not responding to our demands. We'll launch the first one in 10 hours as planned.
Damn Americans.
Looks like you read them wrong.
Something's funny. Normally, the Americans are the first ones to the negotiating table. They must think they've got something up their sleeves.
So it's come down to it, has it? We're gonna launch that nuke and ride it all the way into history.
I've got to take care of some launch preparations. You're in charge here, Ocelot.
What about you? Want to stay for the show?
I'm not interested.
Ooh, hello.
It's time to feed the family.
So, you prefer your wolves to my show, hmm?
Ocelot, don't screw up like you did with the Chief.
Yes, I know. That was an accident. I didn't think a pencil pusher like him would be so tough.
Well, his mental defenses were reinforced by hypnotherapy.
Boss, what about that ninja?
He's killed 12 men. Whoever he is, he's some kind of lunatic.
Bastard took my hand. How could he have gotten in here?
Perhaps there's a spy among us. Mantis is dead. We've also got to find out what killed Baker and Octopus. We're short-handed, so make this little torture show of yours as short as possible.
Torture? This is an interrogation.
Bitch, please.
As you wish. See you later, brother.
Your woman is still in this world.
Meryl.
Down!
Give me some sugar, baby. Oh,
Catch you later, handsome.
hurt that boy feelings.
Once she picks a target, she doesn't think about anything else.
Yeah, somebody.
Sometimes she even falls in love with them before she kills them. Finally, just the two of us.
Shit. Somebody conveniently
How are you feeling?
starts weed whacking.